It's Artem here. Today I have a special video for you. I want to show my workflows, better to say my color coding system for workflows, for better organizing my Bubble applications. So for me, for other developers, and just for creating nice system for working with workflows. I will hide my camera right now and we will jump straight into business. So I will just show you right now. Let's go. Okay, first step is just a regular workflow page on my Bubble application. First step, keep as much gray color as possible. It's better to leave gray for all not important stuff, just navigation. Not important navigation, I mean. I will explain what I mean not important and important. So gray for everything not that important. For example, let me update this page. If I click here, I will show this pop-up for user. Basically, it's not that important. Yes, I'm not creating something, I'm not setting states, I'm just showing this thing to a user. I can leave it gray for sure. Showing this pop-up with posts inside, showing notification feed, showing this group focus with help center for my user. This is not important. I can leave it for sure gray. Next question maybe you ask, how can I give understanding, yes, with all these gray workflows? It can become messy really fast. It's our next step. How to differentiate, how to give better understanding for you, for other developers who work with you with these gray workflows. But for now, gray for all not important stuff. And then we move to colors. We create our own color coding system. I will share mine with you. This is it's super short. I try to keep everything in my Bubble development process as simple as possible. So I just created some colors and I choose what color will represent what type of workflow. So gray for everything not important, related to navigation, showing in not important aspect, I mean really not important. If I have navigation with some custom states, with some go to page and send data to URL, it's not going to be gray for sure. Purple, it's make changes to thing. I mean when you, for example, make changes to your user or to the post and adding this user to user scene. Yeah, for example here, let me see. Make changes. Yes, I change. This is a state where I edit in post. So I'm making some changes and hiding the pop-up. So I will keep it purple. Next, let me explain for fast red and green. It's super. It's I think the easier to understand. Red delete, green create is the most intuitive part. Blue, it for states. For example, set some filter with the filters that user choose and other. I think it's pretty intuitive too. And the last part, it's orange. Orange I use for custom events and API events. And for some super unusual stuff. For example, here I have special workflow for user who come to the page with a special parameter because someone shared a link to the post with this user. And I need to show only for this user this post. And after he hide it, I need to reset the page. So it's some special parameter that really, some special, workflows that need my attention in the future and for my better understanding. Also, what I want to say, I don't use these nodes really much. I used it in the past. It's not that helpful for me. What I use instead, as you see, most of my workflows has a special line right here and a comment in the brackets. What is this? It's this application called A Text. It's available for Windows and for Mac. it paid application, but they have free trial for 1 month, and I think you can find something similar for free. What is this? Basically, it's text replacement solution. Let me show you. So I have some still not like you see here. It's just a standard workflow without explanation. So I need to write something to understand. Here I have like resetting filters. Yes. My logic behind resetting filter, it's pretty important. Yes. So I can leave it gray, but for setting filters I set it for blue. So I can set it for blue also because I'm setting states, but I set in states for empty. And let me see. I will go like this. I will write brackets, reset filter, then I write dot event, and as you see, it replaced by this line. And now let me show you. You see, it's nice. It's kind of nice feeling, nice visual. It's easier to read. Yes, it's kind of look cool. So I will highly recommend to try it. For example, maybe download, install, and try for 1 month how it worked for you. Super nice stuff. So, and my last step, I color code. Last step is my emoji, but let me tell you one important aspect. Workflow folder. I recommend for main events create particular workflow folder. For example, you filter something and you have 5 workflows for filtering. Yes, filter, set filter state. Then, for example, do something, reset filters. You have 5 workflows related to filters. Create a particular filter workflow folder for it. It will be helpful. And for example, you try to debug something. You try to debug creating posts. You just filter. You see all your workflows related to creating posts. Super nice, super easy to navigate. And the last step is emoji coding. Also, I try to do it as simple as I can. I build everything with single page application. So I have a lot of reusable elements. And I have 3 emoji coding, 3 emoji codes. Star for my main page, so main page element. Balloon for pop-up, reusable pop-up. And cog for reusable component. For example, some input with custom animation or some kind of group with that I want to reuse in different part of my app. So I also save it here for you. I will share this page so you can play, you can replace something for you, save it to your Google Drive and use it when you building to remember what are your codes, what colors you use to better build your Bubble application. It's basically it. I think we can end it in this video. I thank you for watching. I will be really appreciate if you can leave a like and comment. I will try to make much more this kind of videos to show my Bubble process, my Bubble development process, show some tips. Maybe we will build something together and other cool stuff. Okay, I thank you for watching and have a great day. See you later. Bye bye.